If you've ever thought the Honda City couldn't get any sleeker, the 2026 model will completely change your mind. This isn't just a facelift, it's a full-on transformation that looks like it's been teleported straight from 2035. The design language is futuristic, confident and sophisticated, blending sharp precision with elegant flow. The first thing that grabs your attention is the front fascia. A bold, glossy black grille with seamless LED integration that stretches across the front like a light bar from a sci-fi movie. The adaptive matrix LED headlights are slimmer, meaner, and smarter than ever, automatically adjusting to road conditions and traffic. The front bumper design adds a muscular feel, with deep aerodynamic cuts that not only enhance airflow, but also make the car look wider and more planted on the road. Moving along the sides, the 2026 City flaunts sculpted lines that dance with light and shadow, while the chrome-accented window frames and flush door handles add a premium edge. The 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels redefine elegance, making even a standstill look like motion. The rear continues this futuristic story with a connected LED tail strip, a floating spoiler, and a dual-tone bumper setup that screams sporty refinement. The City's proportions have been subtly optimized for better aerodynamics, increasing stability while also improving fuel efficiency, a rare balance between style and performance. Step inside, and it feels like entering a luxury lounge rather than a compact sedan. The 2026 Honda City's interior is minimalistic yet luxurious. The dashboard flows in a single sweeping motion, featuring a massive 12.8-inch floating infotainment touchscreen with AI-driven voice control. It supports wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and even built-in satellite navigation powered by real-time cloud updates. The fully digital 10.2-inch instrument cluster adapts its theme based on driving mode: Eco, Comfort, or Sport. Ambient lighting strips wrap around the cabin, customizable through 64 color options, giving every drive a personal touch. The seats are designed with ventilated cooling technology and memory foam cushioning, wrapped in eco leather that's soft to touch but durable for years of use. Honda has gone above and beyond with sound insulation, using triple-layer acoustic glass and body seal technology to create a whisper-quiet cabin, even at highway speeds. Space remains a strong point, especially in the rear seat area, offering exceptional legroom and a slightly reclined backrest angle for added comfort on long drives. Under the hood, the 2026 City packs a newly tuned 1.5-liter eHEV hybrid powertrain, delivering an impressive 160 horsepower, combined with outstanding fuel economy. The dual-motor setup allows seamless switching between EV, hybrid, and engine-only modes depending on your driving needs. The acceleration feels instant thanks to electric torque, while the CVT gearbox has been refined for smoother transitions. The ride quality is superb thanks to new adaptive dampers and a re-engineered suspension system that handles rough roads effortlessly while maintaining comfort and control. Safety has always been a Honda priority, and the 2026 model continues that legacy with the Honda Sensing 3.0 suite. It includes advanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and even a new driver attention alert system that uses facial recognition to detect fatigue or distraction. Parking is easier than ever with 360-degree cameras, automatic parking assist, and ultrasonic sensors that create a full 3D map around the vehicle. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the City's new sport mode that sharpens throttle response and steering feedback. It's not a track monster, but the way it blends precision handling with daily usability is remarkable. Even the braking has been re-engineered, with electronic brake force distribution and regenerative braking that helps recharge the hybrid system. The 2026 Honda City isn't just a car, it's a statement about how far smart engineering can go while keeping the everyday driver in mind. It offers futuristic looks, premium comfort, cutting-edge technology, and remarkable efficiency in one elegant package. Whether you're a tech lover, a daily commuter, or someone who values timeless reliability, the 2026 Honda City represents the next leap in urban sophistication. It's a car designed for 2035, available today.